You got that water. That's all you heard.
You gotta survive.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to Publix and we're looking for bread, I think.
Bread and water.
Bread and water because the hurricane is coming, Hurricane Irma, pretty soon. What's up, guys? Oh gosh, it's foggy. So it's coming like a couple days.
Sunday. Most likely.
Most likely Sunday. Driving around getting bread and water. Let's do this. We got the fire rescue here too. We got all the help we need, guys, and we're going into Publix. It's right there. Look at that.
Gatorade's gone.
People like Gatorade. They want their Gatorade. Wow. Oh my, is that bread?
Yep, there's no bread at all.
There's bread, guys. People really like their bread, huh? Completely sold out of bread,
Or
guys.
this water is in this aisle.
Oh, I see it. Sold out of bread and water, of course. Are those all chips? Wow. We got water.
Nope, barely anything.
Oh, there's no water. Okay, so we went in. No water, no bread, no Gatorade. People are really taking this seriously. There's barely any soup. So we're gonna go to the next Publix and see what we can get. Next store.
What the hurricane did.
All right, now we're in Walmart. We're looking for bread and water.
Bread.
Bread and water. And whatever we can find. This is bread. Oh, we found some.
That's frozen.
It's frozen? They probably just got it out.
There's this bread, bro.
Oh my gosh! Yes! Yes! We got bread. Huge line for water. $8.56 for 2 loaves of bread.
Yeah.
$8.56. Hurricanes, right?